In this video, I will guide you on how to get express shipping on SHEIN. First, open the SHEIN app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now find the items that you want to purchase. Then you want to add them to your cart. Once that is done, tap on the cart icon at the bottom of your screen. Now review all the items that you want to purchase. Then go ahead and tap on the checkout option. Here, look at the shipping method. By default, it is going to be set to standard shipping, but you want to select the express shipping option over here. Go ahead and select express shipping. Keep in mind that express shipping usually costs more than standard shipping, but offers a faster delivery time. Once you are done, you want to scroll down and select the payment method. After that, if you have any gift card or vouchers, apply them here. Then tap on the place order option. And that's it. This is how you can get express shipping on SHEIN. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.